As a global company, we need to provide real-time visibility to our customers and employees in order to be able to take the right decision at the right moment.
Wakeo is a powerful tool to anticipate disruptions, and it helps to make our supply chain more resilient.
Michelin is the global leader for tires, which has a significant growth regarding everything around the tires, such as fleet management, hydrogen, and gastronomy.
We are 132,000 employees, running 121 sites, selling tires in 175 countries. The post-COVID period has been terrible for ocean transport. We suffered from a lack of visibility, especially for containers staging a long time in the port. Before the solution was in place, employees had to track information from several sources, and it made their journey very complicated.
We launched a trial for 3 months with 3 companies in order to find the best solution for us on the market. After assessing 3,000 containers, we choose Wakeo for the quality of the data, the completeness of the milestones from the empty pickup till the empty return.
We conducted an internal survey on our test user, and Wakeo was selected as the best solution.
The implementation goes fast. After the trial, in less than a month, we were able to see all the containers for Michelin flows. We work with Wakeo on a daily basis. We have around 300 users. We use the transit time calculated by Wakeo in our DRP in order to have a better calculation of the stock in transit. We cross the data coming from Wakeo with our purchasing plan in order to be able to get in real time the visibility on the detention and demurrage.
On the operation side, we anticipate potential situations occurring delays or overcost. For instance, thanks to Wakeo, we are able to monitor the Red Sea conflict and the transit of our container through Panama Canal, which suffer from low water restrictions.
Wakeo today is essential for us because we have the automatic connection between Wakeo and Michelin. All the data are used in our TMS or ERP, so it means that on a daily basis, each decision is taken according to the data coming from Wakeo.
We are driven by one conviction. Tomorrow at Michelin, everything will be sustainable, and Wakeo will be a strong support to achieve that goal.